This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So what is the difference between repository role? Can you tell me?
Yeah, so when we actually create the repo in the GitHub or the GitLab, if there is a multiple roles is given. Roles means you can only do certain things with those roles. There is a development roles, there is a contributor roles, there is a maintainer roles, there is a ownership roles. So if someone only needs to see only the code, we just give that role. If someone need to contribute on my code base, we add them as a contributor. So that's how the role works. And our role is managed by the DevOps engineer. They actually provide the access permission because they entirely own the whole Git platform. They set up the best practices, how to do, what to do, because if any complexity happen, we do not actually involve to fix anything. They actually help us to organize.